Have you ever looked in the mirror and wished you could rewind the clock? The secret to looking and feeling younger isn't always in a cream or treatment. It can be found in your kitchen. Believe it or not, the right foods can slow down aging, smooth out wrinkles, give your skin a natural glow, and boost your energy. Today, you'll discover the top 5 anti-aging foods that can help you look 10 years younger naturally. These foods are simple, accessible, and backed by science, and the best part? They taste great too. So, if you're ready to look fresher, feel younger, and glow from the inside out, keep watching. Let's start with avocados. This creamy fruit is packed with healthy monounsaturated fats, which help keep your skin hydrated and soft. Dry skin is one of the first signs of aging, but the fats in avocados help your skin stay moist and flexible. Avocados are also rich in vitamin E and vitamin C, 2 antioxidants that protect the skin from damage. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, which keeps your skin firm and wrinkle-free. Avocados also contain compounds that protect against sun damage and inflammation. Just half an avocado a day can make a noticeable difference in your skin's texture. You can slice it on toast, mash it in guacamole, or blend it into smoothies. Eating avocados regularly helps your body from the inside out, giving you that natural, healthy glow. Blueberries are another powerhouse when it comes to anti-aging. These small, sweet berries are packed with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins. These antioxidants protect your skin cells from free radical damage, which is one of the main causes of aging. Free radicals can break down collagen and elastin, leading to wrinkles and saggy skin. Blueberries help prevent that by neutralizing those harmful molecules. They also reduce inflammation, which keeps your skin clear and smooth. Blueberries can even improve memory and cognitive function, so they help your brain stay young too. You can eat them fresh, frozen, or blended into oatmeal or yogurt. Just one handful a day provides powerful skin protection. And because they're low in sugar and calories, they're a perfect daily snack for maintaining your youth. Another top anti-aging food is wild-caught salmon. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for keeping your skin soft, supple, and hydrated. These healthy fats help prevent dryness, reduce redness, and improve elasticity. Omega-3 salmon also reduce inflammation in the body, which slows down the aging process and supports joint health. But salmon isn't just good for your skin. It contains astaxanthin, a powerful antioxidant that gives salmon its pink color. Astaxanthin helps reduce fine lines, improve skin tone, and protect your skin from UV damage. It even improves skin moisture and elasticity. Eating salmon 2 or 3 times a week can make your skin look noticeably younger and healthier. You can grill it, bake it, or flake it into a salad. Wild salmon is the best choice because it has more nutrients and fewer contaminants than farmed fish. Spinach is a leafy green that works like a natural age-fighting medicine. It's rich in vitamins A, C, E, and K, plus magnesium and iron. These nutrients repair skin cells, protect against sun damage, and boost collagen production. Spinach also contains lutein, which protects your eyes from aging and helps prevent age-related vision problems. Because it's made mostly of water, spinach also keeps your skin hydrated and fresh. You can eat spinach raw in salads, saute it with garlic and olive oil, or blend it into green smoothies. Just 1 cup a day provides a huge dose of nutrients that keep your skin, hair, and nails strong. It also supports your body's natural detox system, which removes toxins that speed up aging. If you want younger-looking skin, clearer eyes, and more energy, spinach is a must. Nuts are another excellent anti-aging snack. Almonds, walnuts, and Brazil nuts are full of healthy fats, protein, and antioxidants. Almonds are rich in vitamin E, which helps protect your skin from sun damage and keeps it smooth. Walnuts are loaded with omega-3 salmon, which reduce inflammation and promote glowing skin. Brazil nuts are high in selenium, a mineral that boosts your body's antioxidant defenses and supports thyroid function. Just a small handful of mixed nuts each day can reduce fine lines, boost your energy, and support brain health. Nuts are calorie-dense, so you don't need a lot, just enough to get the benefits. Sprinkle them on salads, mix them with dried fruit, or snack on them plain. They're easy to carry and make a perfect on-the-go option for glowing skin and a sharper mind. While these 5 foods are amazing on their own, they're even more powerful when combined. When you eat a variety of anti-aging foods, your body begins to rebuild and heal itself. Your skin becomes firmer, your joints feel better, and your energy increases. These foods work together to reduce oxidative stress, prevent collagen loss, and support your immune system. They also keep your metabolism strong and your mood balanced. A simple way to include them is to build a daily plate filled with color and nutrients. For example, start your day with Greek yogurt topped with blueberries and walnuts. For lunch, make a spinach and avocado salad with grilled salmon. For dinner, enjoy roasted vegetables, quinoa, and more greens. Drink plenty of water throughout the day and avoid processed foods as much as possible. These small changes create a big difference over time. One thing people often overlook when it comes to anti-aging is hydration. Drinking enough water is essential for keeping your skin plump and youthful. Dehydration makes your skin look dull and wrinkled. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses a day. You can add lemon, cucumber, or mint for flavor and extra benefits. Proper hydration also supports digestion, brain function, and detoxification. When your body is well hydrated, everything works better and you feel more alive and alert. Think of water as your internal moisturizer. It works from the inside to give you a glow on the outside. Don't wait until you're thirsty. Make sipping water a habit throughout the day. It's also important to avoid foods and habits that speed up aging. Too much sugar can break down collagen, causing sagging skin and wrinkles. Processed foods and fried items trigger inflammation, which accelerates aging. Smoking and alcohol dry out your skin and weaken your body's defenses. Chronic stress increases cortisol, which leads to weight gain and tired-looking skin. Lack of sleep prevents your body from repairing itself, making you look older. To fight aging, you need both healthy foods and healthy habits. Prioritize sleep, stay active, manage stress, and choose real, whole foods over packaged ones. Real people who added these anti-aging foods to their diet report seeing results in just a few weeks. Their skin becomes clearer, their mood improves, and they feel more energized. Some even say they look years younger without changing anything else. The changes aren't just cosmetic, they affect how you feel every day. Better skin, better sleep, stronger hair, sharper thinking, these are all signs that your body is working at its best. Eating for youth isn't a short-term trick. It's a long-term lifestyle that helps you stay vibrant for years to come. You don't have to be perfect. You don't need a strict diet. Just start by including 1 or 2 of these anti-aging foods into your meals every day. Replace processed snacks with nuts or blueberries. Swap a heavy dinner for a colorful salad with salmon and spinach. Over time, these choices become habits. Your body will respond with better energy, smoother skin, and stronger health. Looking and feeling younger isn't about chasing youth, it's about supporting your body with what it truly needs. Nature provides everything we need to age with strength and grace. You just have to put it on your plate. Your journey to looking 10 years younger can start today, right now, with your next bite. These foods are delicious, affordable, and easy to add to your lifestyle. Whether you're 40, 50, or 60, it's never too late to give your body what it craves to stay young. You are what you eat, and when you eat foods that love your body, you'll glow naturally from the inside out. Let your food be your skincare. Let your plate be your beauty secret. Choose foods that fuel your cells, protect your DNA, and nourish your skin. Choose life. Choose energy. Choose youth. The power to turn back the clock isn't in your medicine cabinet. It's in your kitchen. Start eating for your future today, and let your health be the proof of your choices tomorrow.